Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and we're in the spring hoop house. And as you can see, I have lettuce planted here and over there. And one here, they're mixed up, and there they're in stripes. So I thought I'd answer the question, which is better? Well, that really depends. But I like this better because it's faster and more efficient. There, you're selecting each head as you plant them. This, I make the mix that I like. So if I want more butterhead and less frilly, I can make that mix, and I mix it in the jar, mix it around, and then use a drop seeder into wind strip trays and create my starts. And it's at the right mix that I want. And when the guys are planting, they don't have to select anything. They just take them out, pop them from the tray, and start planting. And it's just so much faster. And then when you're cutting it for a mix of lettuce, it's already mixed. It doesn't matter if it's in a stripe or anything like that. And when you're doing lettuce heads for market and it's just lettuce heads and you want to mix them in the tote, they're already mixed to the ratio I want that my customers like. The stripe looks great. The problem is it takes longer because now you're either using there's 4 different lettuces there. So you're using 4 different trays, selecting from each tray. I mean, what a nightmare. It looks great, but it takes way more time to create, and the mix, you have very limited what you can do to the mix. You can only do 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. And if you market like 75%, or let's say 60% of one and 10% of another and 10% of another, that's kind of hard to do in something like that. So it takes a long time, but it looks awesome. But for efficiency's sake, this is certainly the better way to go. All right, so thanks for watching, and until next time.